Hey everyone, in this video, let us learn few more cell shortcuts. So if I have selected this cell and if I use Control Shift Asterisk, it selects the current region of the data set. Now to this selected set, if you want to remove the outline borders, use Control Shift underscore and the borders are being removed. In order to enter the current time, use Control Shift colon. In order to copy the data from the above cell, use Control Shift double quotation. So whatever is given in the above cell will be copied as it is. Similarly, Control Shift plus displays the insert cell dialog box, and by choosing this particular option here, we can get a new blank cell wherever we want. In order to delete this cell, you have to use Control minus. So it displays the delete dialog box, and here I can select to move this cell in a particular direction I want. In order to enter the current date, you have to use Control semicolon, which displays the today's date. Now, in order to display the formulas or the values or shifting in between those, you can use Control acute or push. So wherever formula has been used in the sheet, this will display all the formulas and the values will not be seen. In order to shift back to the values, use Control and push again. In order to copy the formula from above cell, use Control single left quotation. And now I can alter it. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.